Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our topic is some passages that is from our reading C, that is Tale of Three Villages. First question for us: the people in this village were affected by chemical factories. Where in your opinion should the factories be built? Why? Here in this village, Ponnamantri village, this is Ponnamantri village, India. Okay, ma'am. So the people in this village were affected by chemical factories. Vijayasama narrated everything to the reporter. Okay. So where in your opinion should be the factories built? Why? So according to your opinion, where the factory should be built? Okay. Give the answer. The factory should be built away from the human buildings and in open, non-fertile lands. Actually, the factory should be built in an outskirts of the village, that is in barren lands, which is not fertile, and also it should be very far away from the human buildings, wherever the human beings resides, that place is not suitable for the factories, chemical factories. They should also take precautions not allowing the contaminated water or liquids or substances into the water bodies, and they should also take the precautions that they should not emit the water, chemical water, or that chemical that smoke and everything. It should not mix into this water or liquid or into this water parts or this lakes or streams. So we should have to take care of this, and that people also should have to take care for that. Okay. Next one. If it is necessary to build factories near the villages, what precautions should be taken to keep the villagers safe? Now here, if it is, one more question. What is that? If it is the factories are built at very close to the human beings or they say human residents, what precautions should be taken? Okay, what are the precautions to be taken to villagers' safety? Villagers' safety or that people's safety is most important. So the chemical released from the factories would not be dumped in open fields and into rivers. First thing is that they should not, the factories waste material should not be dumped in the open fields and into the water. Special ash ponds must be there for discharge chemicals, and they must be far away from the habitation. And special some traps, ash traps should be built by this factory owners, so that therefore the discharge chemicals and they must be far away. The ash traps and everything can, they can dump into that. Okay, so it will not pollute the surroundings and it will not harm to the people, those who are living the surrounding areas. Okay, ma'am. So that's why here the special ash ponds must be there. Special ash ponds means that it traps. Okay, which is used for this throwing the dump or this waste material. Okay, the discharge chemicals and they must be far away from the habitation. What is the meaning of habitation? Residence. Okay, human beings, wherever they are residing, that will be called as habitation. Birds and animals also live in certain areas. So the chemical factories should not be built there. As we said, they should be built far away, which are outskirts of the villages it should be. Okay, ma'am. Next one, the narrator said at the end, there is so much they did not tell you, I thought. What was that so much that was not told according to you? So now here the narrator told with the Vijayasama that they did not tell you so much, I thought, this author said. So what, according to your opinion, what was that so much they hide from these people? Okay, according to the narrator, people were afflicted with the contaminated water and environment and thereby victimizing their lives in every way. Now here, this Vijayasama Ponnamantri village, that chemical factories completely damaged the whole area, that fertile lands became barren lands, and the people, they thought that here they would get rich by working in these factories, but here they were suffering a lot. Now, so that's why according to the narrator, people were affected by this contaminated water, so that chemical waste were dumped into that open fields and into the water, so that completely it was the environmental disturbance occurred in this village, and thereby victimizing their lives in every way. So these people became the victims for this pollution in every aspect. Therefore, their grief was inexpressible. Therefore, that's why here their grief, their sorrow was inexpressible. We can't express with our words. More in words than in displaying feelings. So here we can't express in words. we can express our feelings, because how much suffered they faced, how much damage caused to their village. Okay, next one, write the meanings of the following words now. Outstretched, what is the meaning of outstretched? Pulled out to full length. He said, Vijayasama outstretched her arms. He said to show that there was greenery everywhere. Like this year, she had outstretched her arms. Okay, next one, trailed off, phrasal verb. Okay, this became gradually quieter and then stopped. Trailed off is here, becoming gradually, slowly and stopped. She cried. She trailed off at the end of the story. Okay, so with this, we have come to our end of the session. We will meet again with another topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.